Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have this ear washer kit here, and it's supposed to get rid of all my earwax and whatnot, so let's give this thing a go. So let's see what all includes. I'm gonna aim you guys down if I can, so you can see what's on the table. Tighten up my little stand. So this is it. So we're opening it up here. It comes with some different nozzles, which I'm sure we're gonna need. So I'll take these off here. Looks like it's got the little rubber tips on it there. We have a USB to USB-C charging cable. Looks like that's going to be the device. Some instructions, a bunch of extra tips, and the cradle for it. I guess that's going to be the cradle to hold it all in. There, a little cup. Okay, so let's see what this looks like here. So this is it here. How's this going to work? So we open it up. Looks like some stuff's going to clip up in there. I think it's got a peel off piece here. Yeah, there we go. Nice and pretty. And then that bottom, is it going to open up as well? Yes. And here's a little tube here. So this is going to connect up in here to get the water, and then it's going to squirt up through there. So that's going to be the concept. Let's fill it up with some water. Let's put this on here. It looks like it's just a stick-on one. And then let me look at some of these instructions just to make sure I'm not going to hurt myself. So I guess these stick into here. And then it snaps in. And now let's push the button on it and see what happens. So if I go, oh, and then there it is. See, you can see water's coming out. So that's soft. Oh, middle. I don't know what par means. High. I guess you can see the different levels. It's putting out different quantities of water. So this is the one tip. So how did I turn it on? This one here. And now if we wanted to try the other tip, oops. Oh, the other tip's the same thing. It's just a longer little valve on it. So, oh, it's got this thing on it. Let's see what that looks like when that's on. So it's going to go that direction. Do I still have water? No, put some more water in there. Okay. So the water's on, power on. Ooh, holy mackerel. Look at that. It squirts all over the place. And that's on high right now. So if I did low, it would be that, medium, high, and then power. Pretty cool. So if I stick this in my ear, let's see, do not use if you have an ear infection. Let's see if it says how to do it. Set the pressure. When washing your ear, tilt your head to the right so that water and wax can flow out. When washing your left ear, Okay, I'm going to give this thing a try. Let's see. So we're going to push it. Let's see I'm going to put it on low for the start. So if I stick this in my ear, I don't know. Can y'all see what's going on? I don't know. Oh, holy mackerel. So there, that ear, it should be clean at this moment. Let's try it. I've got a little bit of water in it. Let's try this side here. Oh, it's such a startling thing. And also, oh, it feels like it's doing something, but holy mackerel, I have cold water here. Oh my gosh, it is so cold. I need to be doing this with a little bit warmer water. So if you're gonna do this, I would suggest using warmer water. But the concept is cool. My ears feel nice and clean now. Wow, super clean. I can hear y'all. Wow, good. Didn't even clog my ears or anything. Usually I get water in my ears. But how cool is that? Nice little device. Thumbs up for sure. Very nice.